It's a long time the Maverick been telling you that in life and in sports, it is better to be lucky than to be good. Case in point, West Indies not good, but them lucky. Same from defeat to Scotland and an embarrassing elimination from World Cup qualifying by rain and the Duckworth-Lewis system. As of now, I don't want to hear no more West Indian criticizing the Duckworth-Lewis system. It's the best thing to happen to West Indies cricket since sliced bread. Seriously though, West Indies worthless bad. We don't deserve to be at the World Cup. We deserve to lose to Scotland. West Indies not supposed to get bowled out for 190 odd without even batting out the 50. Getting bowled out by Scotland, not Australia or South Africa or England, but Scotland. Scotland deserved to win and should have won from needing 74 from 88 deliveries with 5 wickets in hand. With the toothless West Indies bowling attack, my gambling money would have been on Scotland to win. Barring that blatant bad LBW decision that went against Scotland for their 5th wicket, them would have won the match on the same Duckworth-Lewis system. And even after that, with Scotland's cruising at less than a run a ball, down came a heavy and steady shower of rain. And then Duckworth-Lewis take over, rescuing a drowning West Indies. Boy, Mr. Cameron, you owe me a strong. You owe me a strong. This is not good luck. This is science. Yes, yes. Science again.